Welcome to the AlphaCars Service Center. Today we've got some exciting projects going on in the shop. One of them is this Ural here that we're getting running again, getting ready for the road, but that's not the topic of this video. We've got this 2014 Ural Patrol in this awesome red and white color scheme. This bike we actually just sold. The customer, the new owner, super excited, and they're having us do some additional things on it, and a lot of accessories are being installed. All these accessories you can find on our online store on shop.alphacars.com. But let's just talk a little bit about what is going on here. So we can see the gas tank's removed, the seat is removed. We've got lots of exciting tools out on the platform here. This bike is getting everything from fresh, brake pads in the back to the full lighting upgrade. This is the glass Hella lens with the awesome light output and beam pattern, and then an LED H7 bulb is going in there. The technician already installed the full LED lighting on the rest of the bike, so the turn signals and the brake light are all LED now. We've got the sidecar rear bumper. You can see the installation is still in progress. The Allen tool is still in the bolt there, ready to go. And we did install the dashboard, handmade locally. And most of these products, they have awesome reviews on our online store. You can see what other people have to say about them. They're ultra high quality and they fit great. This Ural also got the sort of late model or later model rubber pad there, so you don't slip. This was the kind of original one that was there. Or maybe that was actually aftermarket, but either way, it has the sort of updated anti-slip pad. And you can just really see how great of condition this bike is in for 2014. We did do the rim recall here. So it's got new tires, tubes, and rim tape at the same time. And lastly, the heated grips. We just put these heated grips on, also available on our e-store. You can see the 5-stage controller there. And I've actually personally used these grips on my bikes before, some of my dual sports, and they get really hot. They work great, even down to the sort of teens and 20-degree Fahrenheit range. With some light gloves, they will keep your hands nice and warm. So I believe that's all I have to show you at this point on the Patrol. And next in the video, we'll see this bike all put back together with these awesome accessories. And now the Patrol is ready for delivery. It's in our delivery showroom here in Boxborough, and it's been reassembled, so let's take a look at it. Starting out, there is the air horn. This is a kit that we produced here. Has very good reviews. We've sold it for a long time, and it proves to be very popular. That is insanely loud, and there's videos on our YouTube that you can view regarding that. We can see these nice, comfortable sidecar armrests. Those are a very quick and easy upgrade that add a lot of comfort to the passenger area. Of course, that updated side step there. There's also some other goodies in the trunk going to the new owner. Here we have the sidecar bumper, rear bumper, and of course the heated grips with the 5-stage controller. There is the quick charger up there. If you are interested in having some awesome accessories installed on your Ural, reach out to our service team at 978-263-9000, or check out our online store where you can buy these parts and have them shipped right to your door. And I almost forgot, check out the sidecar dashboard here. It's got the charger in there ready to go. Great contrast with the red color of the Ural. So as I said, if you're interested in any of these parts you see, plus hundreds of others we have to offer, check out our online store. The link is in the description. This has been Ian reporting from the Boxborough location. Please leave a like on the video if you found it interesting, and subscribe for more content.